Hi guys, today we are infusing our rosehip oil with, this is the rosehip oil. Ooh, we're gonna infuse this rosehip oil. Let me take it out of the package. This is what we're using. It's so good. It's cold pressed. It's all organic and pure rosehip oil. It's really important that this is all very pure because it's for the Yaupon Radiance facial salve that I'm making. I'm going to infuse this rosehip oil with my herbs. I've got them here. This is our totally dried out sorrel. Can't see it, but these little tiny blooms actually have yellow, so that should be really brightening and refreshing. And these are the Yaupon leaves. The Yaupon leaf is the only leaf from a tree in North America that has caffeine in them. So give you a little bit of radiance and shine in your face, along with the beef tallow, which is like totally moisturizing, that I'm going to put in this salve. And a few other great things that are gonna like brighten your face and make it brighten some dark spots and stuff. Like I'm excited to use it for myself. So I'm really excited that I am infusing this oil with these herbs today. I thought of this really cool idea. So I've already done it before. I didn't videotape it, but I already have my other two oils infusing, and I use this amazing method to make sure that all of the herbs are completely soaked in oil, because if they're exposed to the air, then they can get mold on them. So instead of just leaving them in there and then, sometimes the little herbs would poke up, I put the I actually put another mace. I wrapped it in parchment paper, and then I put first of all, whenever I went online, it was so expensive just to get some weights for my to push down those herbs. They wanted arm and a leg from like $16 for 3 of them, just little glass pieces. So I was like, what do I have that I could use for weights? Hey, baby. Hi. Okay, well, we're going to get ready for school. You're going to eat at school. Can you go back to... Okay, I'll get you a snack before school, okay? Okay, I'll be doing that in just a minute. Okay, so I don't know what to use as weights, right? And I don't know how to make it sterile, but I thought of this to use like bullets. See, these are the Winchesters. Here's a bullet for your reference. We're gonna have to sanitize the whole surface and then wash my hands after touching these, but these bullets have lead in them, but they're very heavy. They're very heavy. So what I can do is I'm gonna put these bullets in a plastic bag, put that plastic bag in a glass jar that's completely sterile and food grade, and then I'm going to wrap this plastic jar in our unbleached parchment paper, and then I'm going to put that inside my herb infused oil, and that's going to weigh down the herbs. So that's what we're going to get ready to do. I'm going to go ahead and put all the bullets in here, and then we're going to have to sterilize everything after we do that because we've just touched bullets. So let me hurry up. I don't want to put too much because I don't want the oil to get displaced too much. I feel like with my other ones, I might have put too many bullets, so it's like too heavy, you know? So for this one, I just put 5 bullets in. There's my 1, 2. Ooh, that's shiny. 3, 4, 5. I'm going to squish all the air out of the bag. Tighten it up. And now I have to wash my hands and everything. I have to wash my hands. I have to wash the surfaces. I have to do all of that. Oh, yeah. Let me just go ahead and do that. Okay, now everything is sterilized after touching the bullets. I'm going to put my bullet bag in my small mason jar here. The outside of that bag has been sterilized. The inside of this lid has been sterilized. The outside of this lid has been sterilized. The outside of this jar has been sterilized. And now I'm going to get the parchment paper. Get a real generous amount of parchment paper to completely cover our jar. And we're going to scoop that back. And then here, I'm going to show you how I'm infusing my oil with herbs. So first I'm going to place the herbs in. I actually was able to harvest so many herbs on my birthday. So it's like, oh, I guess I don't even need that many. I'm going to be able to keep this jar. I'm going to keep all these dried herbs for my next batches. Just wait a little bit longer so I can finish. So there goes my dried sorrel. I put that one first. Oh, I'm not supposed to put this on there. This goes back in this little cloth. It just keeps it dry, you know. It keeps any kind of debris out of the jar, but keeps it dry. I guess I should show you what I'm doing. Very difficult. I should have cut a more generous. No. Oh. Well, I'll cover that in a minute. For right now, I'll just put this on top. I'm going to have to get new cloth because this cloth is coming apart. Anyway, that's covered. Put it back. And then here's our Yaupon leaves. That was the dried sorrel, by the way. And this is the Yaupon leaves. I'm going to take the top off. Got a little bit of frayed in there, so I'm going to take that. And then put my Yaupon leaves in. We want to fill the jar about 1/3 to 1/2 full. So this is the 16-ounce line. This is a 32-ounce jar. So we've got it. Yeah, we've got it. I could pack it down a little bit, you know, pack it down. Maybe add a few more Yaupon leaves for that extra kick of caffeine. Oops. Well, that's a lot. I don't think I need that many. Okay, perfect, perfect, perfect. So I made kind of a mess. Let me put some more of these in here. These are the sorrel leaves. They fell on the parchment paper. And put some of our Yaupon leaves back in the jar. These are for storage for later. These were actually really painstaking to harvest because I had to actually cut the small tips of the branches, bring them inside, strip the leaves off, clean the leaves. I picked only the very best leaves. And then to dry them, I had to air dry them for a little bit to get the water off. And then I put them in the oven to roast them. And my husband really hated the smell. It's the smell of those leaves drying. It just does not smell great. So I just wanted to clean up the workstation a little bit. And put these on the side. That back. And yeah, we don't want to waste any of this. So all of the little leaves that look good, I'm putting them in our oil infusion. That was a big mess. It's super early in the morning. I don't even feel like very loosey-goosey. Feel more like tired and uptight. But anyway, so these are our herbs. They're looking good. Looking good, Hollywood. I kind of put them a little bit high. That's okay, because we have our oils coming in. Look. So we got our herbs. That's great. Oh, let me cover this real quick so nothing gets into my nice fresh Yaupon leaves. Save it for another day. I have medicine in my house. So this is the seal they put on it is so extra. You don't want any oil leaking out in the packaging. I'm just gonna squirt some. Just on my hands. Look at this. Sealed for your protection. So this is 16 ounces of cold pressed, all natural, organic and pure rosehip oil. Wonderful brand, Health and Beauty. Loving it. So let me fill this with oil. Oh, that's satisfying. I'm just going to use the whole bottle. Why not? Fill it up. Looking good, Hollywood. So that looks amazing. Put this for trash. Maybe I could use this bottle. It's a nice bottle. Anyway, so we have our all sterilized little weight. We're going to use this as a weight. And we have our oil infusion. I'm so excited that that's the chemical processes are already occurring. And I'm just going to wrap these bullets with the parchment paper. Place it in here. Ooh, is it gonna fit? Is it not gonna fit? Is it gonna fit? Is it not gonna fit? I don't know. I don't know. It's like a big old plunger. I'm gonna have to cut off more of the top. I'm probably gonna have to cut off more than that. Oof, oof, it's a tight fit. Just need a little bit lower. I have to be able to get the top on. But as you can see, it's doing a really good job. The herbs really just don't even have room to pop up now. I'm really proud of this new method. I'm hoping that it works. We're gonna find out at the end. Thank you for being here while I infuse my all-natural cold-pressed rosehip oil with Yaupon leaves and Sorrel that I wild-foraged from my own property on my birthday. And I'm just so happy. This has so much love and so much good positive energy in it. And I'm so glad that I'll be able to share this with you. Thank you.